capabilities in recent exercise. The U.S. Air Force announced that the MQ9 Reaper drone system has demonstrated new capabilities in a recent exercise. The Air Force said in a release that its Air Force Special Operations Command Long-Range Aircraft Company participated in the October 17 to 20th Emerald Flag exercise, using the Great Power event to demonstrate the agile combat employment of MQ9 Reaper aircraft anywhere in the world. Emerald Flag is a multi-domain exercise conducted at Eglin Air Force Base test and training that allows the joint force to connect air, land, sea, space and cyberspace for the advancement of complex weapons systems. Corey and other members of the 2nd SOS have a steady-state commitment to support combat operations around the world that often limit training. Combat challenge to and take advantage of the full range of capabilities presented by mission support team specialists, both from Wilbur Field. The partnership is largely focused on recovery operations for the MQ9 aircraft. MST members manage security and provide a communication station at the airfield that is deployed to support Reapers for training. Consisting of ground crew and infrastructure at the forward location for takeoff and operations. The Emerald Flag offers a venue for the AFSOC RPA community to once again demonstrate its satellite communications launch and recovery capabilities. To demonstrate improvement and reduced footprint, the MQ9 conducted SLRs at 4 separate airfields within 28 hours to include Cannon AFB, New Mexico, and 3 bases in the Florida Panhandle to include Eglin AFB Field 6, Duke Field and Hurlburt Field. Without SLR, this would not be possible given the infrastructure required when deploying launch and recovery elements for MQ9 operations. The MQ9 works with MC-113J Command, a small maintenance team, MST Special Tactics Squadron for small members of Field 6, simulated behind enemy lines. By doing so, the MQ9s demonstrated their ability to advance and refuel as part of the drill. The team approach practice officer with the multifunction pilot used at Emerald Flag is the key to success. Exercises like Emerald Flag are invaluable and provide a unique opportunity to continue to shape the future of MQ9 operations.